Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcomes you to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech Guys. I hope you all are doing well practicing your AutoCAD learning sessions. And guys, today we are going to understand the very simple and very useful command, that is extend command in AutoCAD. So alright guys, extend command, and we can activate or use our extend command by using short key EX. EX is the short key for extend command. Basically, extend command is used to extend any one object till the other object. Because we wanna extend our any line or at any multi-line, so we can extend that object till the second object. One object must be there to the outside. So alright guys, let's understand the process how we can use extend command. For this, we can go here in modify command bar and we can select extend command from here. Now as I just click on the extend command has been activated. So there is one option, this is asking for select object. If you will not select object, you can directly press enter here. Now directly press enter has been done. So now what we need to do, we need to just click on the object, and our object will extend it to the second object. I just click on this line, but this object has been extended here. I just click on this line, but this line has been extended here. I just click here, but this line is again extended to the next object, because in this process our lines or our objects will extend to the second object, to the next object that would be there. So alright guys, I hope you understand the simple extend command. Let's understand once more a different feature of extend command. Let's get back this. Now extend command is activated by entering the EX in the command bar. Now this is asking for the select object. Now we need to, if we want to extend this line to this line directly. For this this is asking for the select object. I just select this line here and then press enter. Now as I'll just click here, my line will directly extend it to this object, like this. As I am clicking on the object, and my lines are gonna extend till the selected line. So guys, this is the simple process of extend command. Let's understand much more feature of extend command. So this is a simple process. I hope you understand. Let's understand much more. Select extend command. As I just click here, because I wanna extend my lines till this line. Then press enter. Now there one option is by clicking, as I'll just click here, my line will extend till this line. So there is one more option, that is crossing. As I'll just click on this crossing option, now you just need to select the window. You can select all the lines together just by giving a window like this. As I just click, all of your lines has been extended to this. So guys, this was the scenario that you can use for extending the many objects together. So I hope you understand this. So let's get back this. So that there is one more simple object. If extend command, if you won't select anything, so you can take your line to any direction. I'll just click on this upside direction, so this line would be extended to this side. As I'll click on the downward direction, so this line would be extended to this line. If I'll click once again, so this line would extend here till this text. So this is the concept. I'll click here, I'll click, that we can use to extend our lines. So I hope you understand. Let's just trim this command. So guys, there is one more feature in extend command, like this, because if we have this type of object, that is too many objects are here, and you wanna extend this by this till this object, all the line you wanna extend something like this. So when you will just click on the one line, that will not click, that is gonna here one by one. You need to click here till one by one. but it's not workable. That will be too much lengthy or time consuming process. So for this, if you will give by giving window here, so you would be able to give just by only half, because when you will cover the complete this is not working. When you will give half, that will be half, because it's not suitable for this. So alright guys, there is one more feature for this. There is one object like this. You wanna extend this till the end of the rectangle. So this extend command is activate. Then select the object, because you wanna extend your lines till these lines. So I have selected all these rectangle. Then press enter. There is one specific feature of fence, and I'll click on fence. Now this is asking for the first point. As I just click here like this, I just click here something like this, my lines are gonna extend. Done. So guys, my all the lines has been extended till the end of the rectangle. So I hope you understand this. This was a simple scenario of extending the lines by using fence in extend command. So understand one more feature in extend command. Now we have selected and enter. Fence we have understand, crossing we have select understand. There is one more option of undo in the project. So alright guys, when let's suppose you have entered this and you have extended this line, but you don't want to do this, so you can extend this one by clicking on undo. You can get back your action. You just click on this one. These are 4 lines you have extended, but now you want to undo these process, so you can just by clicking here, or you can enter U for this, U for this, U. As I'm gonna enter U in the command bar, my all the commands are gonna back. So I hope you understand guys the extend command. You have understand the complete extend command. So I hope you understand, and if you have any problem understanding the extend command, please comment on the comment section. And if you like the video, please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Thanks for clicking.